a pioneering solution, honored with the Gold Award for Digital Technology Products at Make in Vietnam 2024. The first box beam welding solution without an inner radius in the world. Smarobics, the smart robotic solution developed by Weldcom. Smarobics is a 3D mechanical design and intelligent robot control software. Specifically developed for welding robots across various applications. Operated through the Auto Welding Design Interface. Smarobics supports 3D drawing imports in over 50 formats, ensuring compatibility with all major 3D design software, including Tekla, STEP, and IGES. Traditional welding robots require manual programming, which is time-consuming, especially when switching between products. Smarobics eliminates this limitation with automated program generation and weld path configuration through just a few simple steps. The software can automatically detect material thickness, suggest optimal welding parameters, and generate weld paths for gap joints, sealed welds, and complex multi-layer welds, 3rd and 4th degree, on various structural beams. One of Smarobics' standout features is its auto welding simulation capability, which accurately reproduces robot movements and collision checks directly within the software. This allows engineers to adjust welding angles, optimize collision avoidance, and configure welding parameters before sending the program to the actual welding station. After configuration, welding programs are transmitted to the Smarobics Auto Smart Welding Management System, which intelligently manages the entire automated welding process. From there, the programs are sent to robot stations in the production workshop, ensuring precise and efficient welding operations. The seamless integration between design software and robot control software allows Smarobics to perform welding on complex positions and profiles. This technology easily handles products with multiple stiffeners, narrow spaces, and multi-layer welding requirements, a capability achieved by only a limited number of entities globally. Moreover, Smarobics enhances professionalism in manufacturing by separating CAD/CAM operations from robot execution. Welding programs are created independently and then sent to the production team, allowing pre-programming before the robot completes its current task. This workflow optimizes up to 70 to 75% of welding time, enabling real-time monitoring and simultaneous management of multiple stations and welding tasks without interrupting operations. Engineers can program new products while robots carry out ongoing welding tasks. Additionally, Smarobics can expand beyond welding to support painting, sorting, and material feeding, paving the way for fully automated production. Developed and fully mastered by Vietnamese engineers, Smarobics is set to elevate Vietnam's mechanical industry to global manufacturing standards. Smarobics, a Vietnamese innovation, reaching the world.